The New South Wales government has launched a direct financial lever to combat rising household power bills. The expanded Home Energy Saver Program offers eligible homeowners up to $15,000 in zero-interest funding, with a repayment term spanning up to 10 years. This capital is earmarked specifically for major home infrastructure upgrades, including rooftop solar arrays, battery storage systems, insulation, and energy-efficient climate control. Homeowners can now acquire and install comprehensive energy systems with zero upfront capital and zero financing penalties. The residential scope of this program applies statewide. To secure the funding, applicants must own the New South Wales residential property where the upgrades will be installed. Additionally, the household's combined taxable income must remain strictly under $210,000. This income ceiling specifically directs state capital toward middle and upper middle class households facing immediate utility cost pressures, deliberately excluding ultra-high income earners. Analyzing current market data reveals exactly how far this $15,000 limit stretches. This vertical budget ledger shows a standard 6.6 kilowatt solar system starts around $3,399. Adding a robust 13 kilowatt-hour home battery requires roughly $9,449, leaving a positive balance under the state cap. The physical footprint of these modern storage units mounts directly to the exterior wall, integrating neatly with existing utility panels. The $15,000 cap is precisely calibrated to fully finance a comprehensive hybrid energy system without forcing homeowners to cover out-of-pocket top-ups. Beyond the immediate monthly drop in utility bills, the structure of the loan itself guarantees significant capital retention over the life of the system. This side-by-side comparison chart illustrates that utilizing a 0% state loan over a 10-year term saves participants nearly $7,000 in interest charges compared to standard green finance rates. To start the process, applicants need to verify their combined household income and contact certified local solar installers to initiate a quote. This initiative offers a zero-penalty capital injection, explicitly designed to rapidly lower grid reliance and stabilize household cash flow.